Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure you watch this until the very end. It's a very short video. So what you have to do first is to import your video and then you click on layer. And here in layer, we have new adjustment layer. And here, please click on threshold. Now here mode, just normal, opacity 100% and color, just none. And click on OK. Now, if you want to adjust the threshold here, if you want to add more white or more dark for the dark values or for the white values, we can actually use the painting tool. Make sure you select the background, the image, our image, and now we can just paint. Here we can click on X if you want to switch back and forth, the background or foreground. And if you want to just reset, click on D, A, B, C, D. And now with white, with black, we can add more dark values. Now, if you want just less, just go here and decrease the hardness and decrease the size. That's not good. May increase, hold Alt and left click. Now we'll just remove the white side if you have a if white, and if you don't want to select, just click on D. This will just reset, save you more time. And yeah, with this you can play with this and you can add more dark shadows. And what I like is maybe, I don't know if you, but I think I found this really nice and an interesting effect. Probably is not related to this tutorial, but I'm just gonna show you. If you click on threshold and you still use paint, you can actually draw you can actually add the original image again to this threshold, which is really nice. And if you press on this, what it's called, this, oh man, I know this, my memory is playing with me right now. If you click on this, oh, it doesn't even matter. Anyways, you invert, mask. Control plus I, you can invert this mask. Look, now you have this effect. Now you have, I think it's really cool now. And if you click on X here and you switch back and forth, now you can add more here. Maybe you don't want, click on X again. Now you remove this part. It's kind of like blending, as you can see, you know? It's kind of cool. I really like this. Increase the opacity. You can create really nice effects, you know? You can create really nice effects, and for maybe a poster, for anything you might need, you know? Look, this looks pretty really nice. I really like this. You can pan around using a holding space, and I just use Alt and then the middle wheel. While I hold Alt, I use the middle wheel and then just space to pan. And yeah, this is a really nice effect. I really like this. Now maybe you want like this, and now here, and maybe this part. Actually, we want this part and add like this, her real face, her face. And now make sure here you click on D to change, because then it's gonna add a different color that we don't want. And now, sorry, maybe if we select this portion now here, we can paint again. I don't know, you can create a lot of effects. Control D to deselect. You don't have to, and I don't even recommend. I'm not usually following after tutorials if I'm when I'm watching tutorials, because I watched also a lot of tutorials obviously to learn Photoshop, but I think it's good to just watch when you're learning something and understand what uh the dude, the guy, the girl, the person that is helping you, that's creating, talking in that video is doing. Just pay attention, understand the process instead of copying, and you know, I think that's I think I mean that's my opinion. And now if I click on image, I can add some filters here. Maybe if maybe if this is not really blended and I want this blended, of course I can use Gaussian blur, and now I can add and what is cool is you can still play here, you can still use this, no worries. Where you can use, you can go here and cover to a smart object. Now, it's good to convert to a smart object because that's non-destructive work, but just keep in mind that will add more, uh, your computer. If there is a chance might start to slow down, and that's a reason there. That's something you have to keep in mind. If your computer is not very good, make sure you don't convert to a smart object. Or but there's also a lot of good parts to convert to a smart object because you're gonna work non-destructively, and that's really important when it comes down to uh, editing in general. So now I also like to add some. I just love noise to add to some of the images because I think it just looks more real, but could be wrong, just my opinion. And then I'll add some Gaussian blur. I don't know, but yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. And just remember layer, and then you click on new adjustment layer, and yeah, that's something that you can do, and it will work very nice, and I think can really help, you know. Now, you might ask yourself what I'm doing right now. Well, that's a good question. But yeah, you know, thank you for watching, and I really hope you found this helpful, right? Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care. Is my okay? My laptop is lagging. Don't crash, please. Oh, now it's back to normal.